Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to change country of Gmail account. Now, unfortunately, directly changing the country associated with your Gmail isn't always straightforward. Instead, you would have to change the country of your Google account. This is because the country you use is the same for all your Google services. Now, what do I mean? Your country is tied to other Google services because the country setting influences access to features in other Google services like Google Play Store, YouTube, and Google Map. So changing your country will affect your access to certain features or content within those services. So what you have to do is update your personal information, that is your address, on your Google account. This will help to reflect your current location, but it might not change the country settings for all your services. Now, if you still want to do this, what you have to do is, from here, access your profile card top right corner, tap on Google account, and then tap on personal information. And from here, scroll down to contact information, and then tap on address. And we're going to set our address for our home address. Then you put in the address of the country you want to use, and you can decide to also choose on the map using the choose on map. So after doing that, you follow the prompt, and that's it. So once you've changed the address of your Google account, it will also reflect on your Gmail account. Now, the other way you can do it is to use a VPN. The VPN virtually changes your location. So download and install a reputable VPN app on your device. Connect to a VPN server located in the country you want to appear as. Now, with the VPN connected, access Google services like Play Store or YouTube. This might allow you to change your region temporarily. You can also decide to contact Google support if you have a specific reason for needing to change your account's country association. Contact Google support, explain your situation, and they might be able to provide guidelines or alternative solutions. Note that changing your country might affect access to certain features or content within Google services. Be cautious about changing your account settings or using methods that might violate Google's terms of service. Please, if you're unsure, contact Google support directly for clarification. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more. Thanks for watching.